Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the short you want to change. Tap it to enter full screen playback so options appear. Once visible, tap the three dots or the gear icon to reveal the menu. This is where you find audio and caption controls. Make sure you are signed in, because some language features depend on region or account settings. If you don't see anything, swipe up or pause once to force the overlay to appear. Then tap again. This exposes the next controls to change language. Once the menu is open, select audio or language. Labels can vary by app version because you need to pick the track or translation. If multiple audio tracks exist, choose the one you want. If not, look for Change Language or Language Selector to switch automatic translations. Make sure to also check captions. Toggling subtitles lets you see a translated transcript when another audio track isn't provided. This step matters because you may only get a different spoken language if the creator uploaded multiple audios. Confirm your selection and resume playback so you can immediately hear the new audio or see translated captions. Listen briefly to ensure it matches. If the change fails, make sure your app is updated, then clear cache or restart the app. These quick fixes often resolve interface glitches. If language options still aren't present, check your region and account language settings, and use the app's feedback or report option to tell YouTube about missing audio tracks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.